Hello traders, in this video I want to speak about USDCAD and I will do a technical analysis on this pair starting from the monthly time frame down to daily time frame. So this is to help us understand where we have the highest probability for the next potential move on this pair. So starting from the monthly time frame, when we take a look at USDCAD, we can see that price has been more to the bullish side. We can see that after we had a break around this level, price has maintained a very strong bullish move. Okay, so if we put a clear trend line from that low before the breakout to the recent price right now, we can see that it is giving us a pretty nice trend line. We can clearly see how anytime price tests the the support level of that trend line, it bounces to the upside. We see all the multiple tests around that trend line and it is bouncing to the upside, which is currently where the market is testing right now. As we can see here, price is testing it one more time, and what we anticipate from the monthly time frame is also a rebound away from that level. So when we look at what the market is doing from the monthly time frame, we can clearly see that it is trading bullish. And also, if we are to connect the resistance level of this market here, we can also put up this horizontal line here, and we see how price has been respecting that level. Anytime price bounces to the upside, it resists at that zone. Price traded up to that same level for the second time and resisted, and recently for the third time price also tested that level and resisted it. So that is to show us that we have a pretty nice inclined support with the trend line and a horizontal resistance level with the upper line here. So this is the structure that the market is giving us from the monthly perspective. So we are bullish from the monthly time frame. So let's now check the weekly time frame. Here from the weekly time frame, what do we see? We see how the market has been trading bearish. We can see how the market has been declining, making series of lower low, lower high, and lower low. So price seems to have found support around this level, which we have also identified from the monthly time frame. So here we can see that price has found support from this level here. All this move to the upside was created. Right now we see how the price pulled back, breaking structures to that same level, and is currently holding at that level. And from here we anticipate more bullish price action to develop also. So from the weekly time frame, we are also seeing a bullish like structure. So let's now check the daily. Here from the daily time frame, what do we see? All we can see from the daily time frame here is that price is currently facing a resistance around this level here. Price is currently facing a resistance around that level. We see how that zone has previously served as a support level before it got broken to the downside here around June this year. We saw how that level also served as a resistance level here, as we can see, and that's where the market is currently reacting in today's trading session. So price is also reacting there. So with a couple of prices we have connected, we see that that level is a resistant level and remains a resistant level until it gets broken. When we also take in consideration that the nature of pattern that is being formed in the market right now, we can see that price is clearly giving us a double bottom. We see how price traded up to that low and bounced to the upside, and also tested it for the second time and also bounced to the upside. So we are now having a reversal pattern, first leg, second leg. So if the neckline is broken, On a retest to that broken resistance which no one turn support, we also look for more buy opportunity. So right now from the daily, price is trading at the resistance level. So we'll be monitoring price for a time the resistance will get broken so that it can turn to support. Upon the break of the resistance level, that is when we can start looking for a buy opportunity. All right, so this is the market outlook in USD CAD.